Hello everyone, just a quick video just of a few of the photos of a few before and after moments from the bike. I thought it's quite nice to see a bit of a difference, so I'm not going to talk all the way through it. You get the idea, don't need to talk over it. Some bits are dirty, some bits are shiny. Enjoy. If you do like what you see and you want to see more, head on over to the YouTube channel and click subscribe so you can keep up to date with the project and other ongoing projects.